So this is my i258 tree, and as you can see, some of those leaves are curling, which is a sign that they're going dormant. Okay, and if you look here, I don't know if you can see that, but you should see some leaves that were, some figs that were about to start growing. But then things got cold, and I'm going to show you this tree and how many figs are actually on it. Okay, here's one that I'm about to pick right now. So that's definitely going to get eaten today, although typically I like to wait a little bit longer. But look how many figs are actually on this tree. And it's a shame. I got some marks here. I don't know what these are. Could be raccoon tried to bite into it and it wasn't ripe yet. Could be birds pecking. But if you look here at these don't look like they're gonna ever develop. And look at that, even more figs back here. We are getting a week of nice weather. I am not sure if that nice weather is going to be enough to ripen all these figs, but I am going to cross my fingers and hope. So we had that nice week of beautiful weather, and I'm actually on my 5th i258, and they all tasted so fantastic, and I was so eager to eat I didn't get a chance to record, but I figured I would show you this one. And as you could see from the inside, there's that beautiful pool of honey that was starting to develop and is typical for i258s, and would have actually been a lot more honey and even dripped out the eye, but I couldn't wait and the weather was starting to get bad. However, I will tell you this fig was absolutely delicious.